Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel at Akeem Ola. Today we are going to deviate from where we have been moving from all this while. We are going to a topic, we are going to a new topic in today, and the topic we are going to consider is angle between lines. Angle between lines. Angles between lines. On the angle between lines, we are going to talk on straight line. In a situation we may have, the first one we are going to consider is a straight line angle. In a situation whereby we are given something like this, we have A, B, and C. As you can see from the board, this is a straight line, and we have three angles on this straight line. We have angle A, angle B, and angle C. So the sum of angle on this straight line must be equal to 180. What am I trying to say? This is what I'm trying to say. I have A plus B plus C angles. Don't forget to put your degree is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. That is the first one we are going to consider. Remember the topic we are considering today. The topic is angle between lines. When you are talking about angle, angle is always denoted by this degree. And we have A degree, B degree, C degree to be equal to 180 degree. The next one we are going to consider is, the first one is angle on a straight line. The second one is angle vertically opposite angle. When you are talking about vertically opposite angle, you have a situation whereby you may have an S sign, an angle here A, B, C, and D. We have an angle like this, A, B, C, and D. If you notice, you will notice that A and B are standing straight because A is here and B is here. That means there is a relationship between this A and B, and that relationship is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle, once you identify them, they are always equal to one another. What am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say in essence is that A is equal to B, as in this A and B, they are the same. Then you have your C is equal to D. Then C and D here are also the same. Then the next type we are going to consider now will be number 3, parallel line. When you're talking about a parallel line, we are talking about two lines that are drawn in such a way that they can never meet. This is what I'm trying to say. I may have something like this. As you can see, this first line will continue to be on a straight line and we continue to move on a straight line. While this one too, we also continue in its own level to move on a straight line. And as you can see, the two of them can never meet. That is the reason why they are called a parallel line. In a situation where you have two parallel lines drawn, then there is an inclined line that is drawn across them. That inclined line is always called a transversal line. You have something like this. These two here, they are parallel line. Why this one here that is drawn is transversal line. We can always have angle in between a parallel and a transversal line combination. And those angle we always have in between them, we are going to consider them now. In a situation whereby we have a line that is drawn like this, remember this one here are parallel line. These are parallel line. If we have an angle here, angle A, we have another angle here, angle B. We have another angle under, we may have an angle here, M, and we have another angle here, N. As you can see very well, that if you consider the first line here, the first parallel line, you will notice that this one is going in this direction, and this one here is also moving in this direction. As you can see, A is up on the angle, while B is up on the angle, and the two of them are on the same side of the transversal line. So here, this number 3A, we may call this one A because it's also on this parallel line on transversal line. This angle here is known as corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. That is a situation where the two of them are on the transversal line. So here now, A will be equal to B, as in angle A will be equal to B here, and angle M will be equal to angle N. What is the reason? The reason is that corresponding angle are always equal. Anytime you are solving question on the angle in between line, you must always give reasons for your answer. The reason can be, I may have is in a situation whereby I have A is given, B is given, then C is not given. If I'm going to consider the sum of angle on a straight line, I'm going to have A, the given side, A and B that are given, plus C is equal to 180. What is the reason? The reason should be in a bracket. You are going to write A plus B plus C is equal to 180. The reason, the sum of angle on a straight line are always equal to 180 degree. Then the next one we are going to consider, let's have DB. We have another parallel line. Then we can have an angle here. We may have an angle here, angle A, and have another angle here, angle B. We have another angle here, angle M, and we have another angle here, angle N. This one here is known as alternating angle. Alternating angle. Alternate angle are always equal. And as you can see, A and B, B and D. So A is equal to B and M is equal to N. What is your reason? The reason being that alternate angle are always equal to one another. Then we have another one, the sum of adjacent. Okay, we are still going to consider other types of angle on a straight line in our subsequent edition. So we are going to stop here now, and when as we meet, we are going to consider solving question on the angle on a straight line, on the angle in between line. We stop here for now. Next time, we'll take it off from here. God bless you.